Good afternoon, guys. I'm back out. I'm back in the Galloway Forest. I'm meeting up with Marco, Mark, Prophecy Prepper, Colin Russell, and Bugsy can't come because he's working. And Derek's coming. Densome Ranger, your handsome stranger. So should be a good weekend. So I'll bring you back when I get to a loch, secret loch. I won't be mentioning. Sorry, I said that the last time, but I did actually show it. But that was because Colin had showed it in his video, so I thought, what's the point of keeping it a secret? But this loch, I'm not going to name it, guys, honestly. Sun's going down. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Somebody asked if I got a new car yet. I'm still using the Wondermobile at the moment. Look. Not got a new car yet, so the wife's getting a new car and I'm meant to get the old one. So give you a look where I am at the moment. Look, it's got some hills over here. Look, you can see that. Very nice. So I'll bring you back when I'm in the woods, guys. We're up this hill, guys, secret loch, right? Up top of, I said Mario, sorry, last week, right? But it's Marco, right? Sorry, I said Mario. So, shout out to Marco if you're watching. And who have we got here? The Prophecy Prepper's back out.
Back out.
So we're on a logging road, guys, right? I'm on top of Marco's truck. Look at this. There's the loch at the bottom. Just us free at the moment. Mark's whispering in Marco's ears. Shh, don't tell Stuart. So I want to do a little shout out to Leah, Andy and Zara. And we also want to do a shout out to Jinty, sorry Jinty, right, I'm not remembering names, but what do you want to say about Jinty, Mario?
I just want to say Marco,
sorry.
I want to say, I remember when Jinty used to be cool and he used to go camping with me and then he just sit in the house with his butt. But you don't know what you're missing, Jinty. It's a good laugh.
Do you know what, I had somebody say this to me one time, right? Why do I want to go camping when I pay a mortgage?
It's brilliant.
I know, but as Marco says to me earlier, what did you say about the wind and the trees and all that?
It's just good to be out, listen to the wind get through the trees and if you're beside the water, listen to the water or the wind batting off your tent. It's just good being it. It's better than the house, isn't it?
That's a person that loves camping. See, when you said that in the car, I was like, I know I keep saying Mario, I'm really sorry. If you're watching Marco, I'm sorry, right? Right, I was given this, I've probably said this a few times in a few videos, but I was given this when I went to Aran from somebody that watches me, so don't want to see his name, but lovely knife. The Kydex was made by Country Prepper, so we're going to batten up some wood, guys, right? We've already battened some. We'll get some more on the go here. So, for Monty, if you're watching, right? Remember I was telling you about the wood that we found last week? So you want to start doing this, look. Just as a filament, I hit a knot, don't I? Had to be the way. But there we go. So you want to split your wood, mate, like that. Right? We'll get another one to batten with. Use this one, right? So, imagine you've scrounged your wood, you want to batten it, splitting it up, see if you find some kindling. Woo! Chop my hand off. This one's got a knot in it, so but we'll get there. Oh, not the best one to show, but it's got a knot in it. But that's what you do, so you split it down, right? We'll leave that, right? We'll kid on that one didn't exist, right? We don't want to see that one anymore. Right? Oh, the other way. Oh, that's it. Oh, that makes me look better, doesn't it? I like that one. I'm happy with that one. I don't like this one. Go away. Tortellini!
Yum yum.
You're going to add some cheese into that, Mark?
I've not got any cheese, but I've got chorizo.
Chorizo.
And I was thinking about oil with a wee bit of lazy garlic.
Oh,
Mix it all in.
Cool. That's Mark's dinner.
Let it cool for a wee minute.
We're in the zebra. You need to get a set of clips, Mark. Or make a set of clips. Oh, do you like mayonnaise, Marco? we were just talking about this, right? I love mayonnaise as well, right? I hate. Have you ever tried brown sauce?
I don't like brown sauce.
No, yeah. Oh, see, me and Marco are in the same camp. Bugsy can keep that brown sauce, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, that is what you call a burger. So whose is that burger, Marcus?
All mine.
All mines, all mines. It's all Marcus, but so. Oh, this is what you call camping, isn't it? Oh, you can't beat this, can you not? In the middle of nowhere, with a nice little fire going. We're living the dream. Can you hear that wind? Woo! So, Colin's not even came here yet. I don't even know if he's coming. Oh yeah. What we got? Tortelloni. We've got some chorizo. Marco's eat his burgers. Nice little fire. We're living the dream, aren't we?
Living the dream.
Yep. Get yourself out there, guys. Stop watching Coronation Street and Crossroads. Or Denson Ranger. So I'm walking down, see if I can find Colin, guys. He's never camped here where we are, so. Have a trek down. Hopefully he's not camping down the bottom down here. But if I find him, I'll bring him back. I'll bring you back, guys. Using my through night torch here. Right, that's us, guys. We're sitting around the fire. How cold do you reckon it is?
I think it's like 3 degrees.
3 degrees.
Minus.
So, it's not minus, I don't think. But we've got some wind. I don't know if you can hear that wind, guys, can you? It's windy, windy. So, I did walk down. I've not found Colin yet. Who knows where he is. But, we're sitting around the fire. If I can find my torch and put it on. You know, I've put the torch on and the wind isn't as bad as it was. But there's Marco. There's the Arabian Night. Frosty Prepper. And myself.
like Blair Witch.
But yeah, it's raining. Can't beat it. The rain is horrendous, guys, right? It is. You won't believe what time it is. It's only like 6 o'clock at night, right? Me and Marco were sitting outside in the rain. Right, Mark had went into his car. And it's chilly. So Mark had went into his car, right? And me and Marco were sitting talking. And it is like, we're thinking, the both of us are thinking, what are we doing here? This weather is horrendous, right? It is so windy. Honestly, we've picked the wrong spot, right? It was Bugsy that had suggested to come here, and then we've came up the hill. But it's one of the ones where, you know, it's the wrong place. But it's a camp's a camp, isn't it? So I do feel sorry for Marco, right, coming out camping with me, and we're in our beds at like 6 at night. So if you're watching, Marco, I really am sorry that we ended up in our beds. But Marco said it'll be cool, right, to see the video, because Simon only watches it. He says it'll be cool to actually watch it when I'm there, because he says that my videos don't show the extreme weather, honestly, the really heavy wind and all that kind of thing. I don't seem to capture it. But I'm in the car, 6 o'clock at night. I'm probably going to put some Netflix on if I've got an internet signal. I don't even know if I do. I might watch some TV, but I'm using the Rab sleeping bag. I've not even got it zipped up, I've just got it flung over the top of me, and I'm already nice and toasty warm. Oh yes. Nice. So, if I don't see you later, I'll bring you back. But I've not even had any dinner. I had some of that cheese. But I do have some corned beef, so I might end up having some of that later. But Colin's not even appeared yet, so who knows. We might end up meeting Colin in the morning, or he might have got lost again, won't he? But it's horrendous weather, Colin. If you haven't came out, then I'm not surprised, right? But we'll see. Colin might turn up, but I think it's to rain all night. But you can't beat that sound, can you not? Can you hear it hitting off the car? Can you hear that on the roof? Got the Peppa Pig. I haven't put the foil stuff on the windows this time. Normally I'd put the foil at the front. I'll show you the torch. See over here. Normally I do that just in case somebody looks in the window, but where we are, nobody's going to be up here on this kind of hill in the middle of the forest. But, so yeah, bring you back in the morning if I'm still alive. Catch you in the morning, guys. 7 o'clock at night, guys. The rain is still pelting away, so I can't be bothered cooking when Mark and Marco were cooking. So I'm just going to have some corned beef, pre-cooked. So I'm going to tuck into that. That rain is still pelting on the car. Colin's not turned up yet. But I think this will be me for the night in the car, so probably bring you back in the morning. Morning, guys. Morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. My sleeping bag is toasty. I was lovely and warm. So I'm going to get up. Survived. It was windy last night. Car was rattling. It was so bad. I'll get up. I see Marco's just put his light on. So I'm watching you, Marco. So I'm getting up.
Redox.
Right, that's us, guys. Right, Mark. Good sleep, Mark. Not the best.
But I feel sharp.
But Marco, he had a good sleep. Me and Marco had a good sleep. Didn't you, Marco?
I did, I brought good sleep.
So, not that we've picked the wrong spot here, haven't we?
No, just the wrong weather.
Wrong weather.
Wrong night. Good
I-
spot.
I think in the summer this would be amazing. See this view? Yeah, look, it is windy, guys, look. I know, it does that to me. But honestly, it was windy and it's raining. As you can see, Mark's soaked. Look.
That's all waterproof, I'm good.
Right. But look at his car. This side is dirty. Right. Wait till you see this side. Look. It's shiny, spotless. Look. That looks.
Sell a fortune on mallet.
That's how the power was during the night. I could feel the wind, right? But Mark must have been getting punished. Because it must have been hitting his car first. Look. But that's us, so I thank you for watching. And I think it's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. The light's not even out yet. So thank you for watching. If you could, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thank you. Look who turned up, guys. Look, Kevin. Raving about Scotland, right? He's just told me that Colin and Kevin. Anybody else turned up? No?
Just the two of us.
I didn't even know you were coming, Kevin. But they camped down at another spot, so, and I'm saying in the video that Colin's not came. But they two were in their hot tent, look. Can you believe that? Ah! And I'm inside the car. I did enjoy it, but I wish I'd went down there now. But one of these things, isn't it? Oh, so